So the idea for today is to show you how you can use organizational web data in your research.
For example, here you also see the innovation clusters in China, and we analyze here more than 3 million companies. So this can really be a very important aspect for structural investments of governments.
So what we did in this case is we had those firms that we identified as blockchain firms and looked into who do they connect with on their websites via hyperlinks. And then, as we know, we have always the location of these firms, so we can map this virtual network into an actual spatial network on a map.
So what I want to show you now is the current setup on how you can search companies, right? So you can basically just describe the type of company what you want to find. And so what we have here in this results page is the different organizations that we found. And let's say maybe you are interested in whether the company has a very specific technology that they are using. What I can do is I can actually add another column, we call it an AI column, and we can just ask a question about the organization.